How to fix Nintendo Switch download stuck. First of all, try to pause and resume the download itself, which will force your console to drop its current stock data packet and establish a connection to a less congested Nintendo CDN server. So first things first, from the Nintendo home switch, select the game tile that is currently displaying the stock download bar. Then select the download options from the pop-up menu and click the pause download and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and select the game tile once again and click the resume download. Then also try to refresh your network with a connection test. Click the setting gear icon on the bottom navigation dock of the Switch home screen, then scroll down to the left sidebar menu options and click on the internet. Select the test internet connection on the right panel. Once the test completes successfully and verifies your global download speed, press the physical home button to return to your dashboard and verify if the data bar is moving. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.